Hi, this is Don, and today we will have a first look at the new Orlandoo Hunter 1/32 scale Mitsubishi Pajero Kit. Thanks to Orlandoo Hunter Model for providing me with this pre-release. This is a 1/32 scale in comparison to the Jeep, which was a 1/35 scale, as well as the F-150. Many people were asking, is this basically the same chassis as the Jeep, just with a different body on, an extended wheelbase and different tires and wheels? Well, also the model number kinda indicates this. The A2, while the Jeep was the A1, and the F-150 with a different chassis was the P1. Well, before we have a first look what's inside, the box, as always, is very nice with all the Orlandoo Hunter Model kits. Nice pictures, and yeah, here are some more informations. I hope I can capture that on the camera. It's 151 millimeters long, 59 millimeters wide, 62 millimeters high. The track width is 52 millimeters. What's this? This is the wheelbase. 87 millimeters. The wheelbase on the Jeep was 77 versus 87. So it's 10 millimeters more, longer wheelbase. Let's have a look inside. Manual. We're going to have a look at this afterwards. Some stickers and your tools, grease and hardware. Those are the new wheels and tires and the foam inserts. I'm gonna open this later to have a closer look at them. Then we have some body parts, the clear parts. Seems to be the bumper. We have the chassis parts and transfer gears. We have the rods for the links. Now the axle parts. Many people were wondering, is it using the same axles as the Jeep? And yeah, definitely looks the same. And we have the shocks. Also those pretty much look like what's supplied with the other kits. Now the most interesting thing, the body. This looks really nice. Very nice mold. So when we look at the manual, I'll actually compare it to the Jeep one. You can see that the axles are definitely the same parts, as well as the transfer gears. And of course the drive shafts have a different length, the same shocks. I hope you can see it here. Then the Jeep had its own mirrors, but the chassis battery plate is the same. Also those shock mounts pretty much look the same. And now to the more specific parts, like body, all the body details, clear parts. And of course the chassis rails.